Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Loki EA, an automated trading system developed for MT4. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this is an MT4 only expert advisor created by Matteo Busacca. The current listed price is 497 US dollars, and there is also a rental option available for 30 US dollars per month. The version shown here is 1.2 with the latest updates listed as April 12th, 2023. As I scroll through the product description, the developer explains that Loki is built around trend strength analysis and tick volume analysis. The EA also includes what the developer refers to as a built-in mediation algorithm and has been optimized through a walk-forward process using 5 years of historical data. According to the description, the goal is to provide a relatively accessible entry-level automated trading system with a lower capital requirement compared to larger portfolio-based systems. Further down the page, the developer provides some important operating requirements. Loki is designed specifically for Euro USD on the M15 time frame, so that is the environment the developer recommends using. The minimum capital mentioned is $1,000, while the recommended capital is $3,000 for more comfortable risk exposure. The purchase package includes the Loki EA itself, priority Telegram support, and optimized settings derived from the developer's 5-year testing process. There are also links provided for recommended presets, a settings guide, and an optional dashboard indicator that can display statistics directly on the chart. Looking at the installation instructions, the setup process is fairly straightforward. The EA is attached to a Euro USD M15 chart, and the recommended preset can then be applied. The optional dashboard can also be installed for monitoring performance statistics more conveniently. Moving into the backtesting section, I am going to be running the historical test using the developer's recommended market context, which is Euro USD on the M15 time frame. Okay, but before then, let's just see what the developer has provided here. Okay, this is not very clear enough, but I think I can see the deposit seems to be $10,000 and the profit seems to be over $20,000, but it's not clear enough. What I can see clearly is that the growth curve is quite smooth, although I can see some tangible drawdowns at some point. There were notable drawdowns. Okay, let's just head over to our strategy tester. Since the provided tester report by the developer is not really clear, but based on what I can see a steady growth curve regardless. Okay, so we are testing the Loki EA on Euro USD M15 time frame, just like the developer recommended, and I'm using the every tick modeling. I'm testing over the past 3 months, all right, in 2026. So from here, I can see that initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit was negative $7.89. Out of 31 trades taken, 23 were profitable, giving us a 74.19% win rate. Largest profit was $51, largest loss was $55.6. Average profit was $3.56. Average loss $11.21. All right. So that tells me that the risk to reward ratio is very bad. Let's head over to the visuals, turn on the visuals, and let's see this EA in action. Okay, so when evaluating any automated system, I always prefer looking at longer testing periods because they provide a broader view of how the EA handled different market environments over time. Meanwhile, I would still recommend running longer testing yourself. Okay, if you're interested in this EA, you want to test it over a longer period of time, and that way you can be able to get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. As I review the chart history and the trading activity, the entry appears to be generated according to the trend strength and tick volume concepts described by the developer. Since those are the only strategy details provided on the marketplace page, it is important not to draw conclusions beyond what is explicitly stated. The historical chart allows us to observe how the EA reacted to past price movement, how trades were managed, and how the overall trading activity developed throughout the tested period. Okay, but now looking at the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that backtest results represent past market conditions only. They can be useful for evaluating consistency and behavior, but they should never be treated as a guarantee of future results. Actual performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. All right, I can see obviously this EA is targeting short-term price movement. You can see how the trades do not really run for long. The trades don't seem to run for long, so the EA just targets short-term price movement. Overall, Loki EA presents itself as an MT4 automated trading system that is focused on trend strength and tick volume analysis, with Euro USD M15 serving as the primary trading environment recommended by the developer. As always, before considering any live deployment, I would strongly suggest conducting your own testing, optimization, and forward evaluation on a demo account so that you can determine whether the system matches your personal trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.